Alright, so this is the startup procedure. It's off right now. Turn it on.
Motor on.
The motor on.
Control on.
Control on, okay.
We're going to do the calibration.
Okay, so we're going to do the calibration.
Start.
Start.
We go to the pedal. We follow the instructions. Open.
Okay, then it moved up.
Alright.
Press closing switch.
Then the gauges are moving, you can release the pedal and they...
Okay, so the back gauges are moving and recalibrating now.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's all set.
Now it's set to run.
It's set to run. You can just pull a program or make a program, whatever you want to do.
Okay, so if you pull up a program now, like say you have one in here.
Show you, yeah. We go to visualization here. With the arrow, this is the down arrow.
Okay.
Visualization of the program.
Okay.
Down arrow again, and we got program to do.
Okay.
Alright, I want to pull the 900. So, and that's depth mode. 900. Enter.
Okay. That's your, now you just put in the program number.
We got 20 steps on that one.
20 steps on this one? Okay.
So it's in already. It starts. Then move to this location.
Okay. So that's first location of the 20 steps?
Yeah. Let me just. That's auto mode. Got it?
Okay.
Enter. Start. Now it's automatic.
So now every time you hit the foot switch, it goes to the next step.
Do one step.
Okay.
One.
Okay, so we're on step 18 still.
Yeah.
Y1, Y2, X1, X2, R1, R2, Z1, Z2. So 8 axis, and these are all controlled by the control, or is there any of them that you need to set up manually?
You can set up manually on depth mode. So we got a depth mode and we got a angle mode. So in the angle mode, we tell the computer, let me show you another program.
Okay.
Angle mode. See this one? They got the material, they got the die, everything, that's depth mode.
Okay.
The 1,000. Alright, let me pull that one in.
Okay.
This is depth mode, angle mode.
That's angle?
Depth, one mode.
Okay.
1,000. Oh. Alright. You see the difference? On this one, we got all the information about the tooling. This is the spacer.
Okay.
That's the library for the spacer.
Okay.
So we got only one. We use that one is the 2-inch one, the bottom one.
Okay.
Alright. So in that one we use the 2 and T. We want to clear this one and go to the library.
Okay.
That's the die holder.
Oh, sure. Yeah.
We got short ones and we got long ones. Short ones.
Okay.
This one.
All right.
The short one. You can put either one. The short
so
one
you
is
got
that
those
one.
ones.
Yeah, but
Okay.
this is the other stuff.
Okay.
The die. Clear it. Got the
Yep.
library. The die.
That's the die library.
Yeah.
Okay.
Got 3 pages.
3 pages.
2 pages.
Okay.
So we have the NTVA on it. So we go here, boom. And, alright.
Yep.
Radius. We never put the radius on
Okay.
it. We got to go on to the next one is the punch. 0014. Okay. Boom. Punch library.
Okay.
0014. That one. Boom. And
Okay, that's in there now.
Yeah.
Okay.
they call die, punch, radius. We always go 0 in that one too.
Yep.
Material. Material, yeah.
Steel.
It's steel, but we can put aluminum whenever.
Oh, okay.
Stainless, let me clear it. Aluminum, aluminum,
Okay.
stainless steel,
All right.
steel. All right. That one. Yep.
Okay. Got it all in now.
Yeah, it's all in. They give you the bend length,
Okay.
angle, which angle are you looking for? The A is the angle.
Okay.
Dimension. Let me show you the program. We got the all made. Here. 123. 3 o'clock. Let me move the dice.
Okay. All right. So now we have the die in. We're ready to go with the. You're in the angle program.
Yeah, angle mode. Yeah.
Angle mode, which is there.
Yep.
So see, it says angle program mode up
Yep.
top now. Okay. Okay.
Angle mode. We got only one step on that one.
Okay. Just one step because
Yeah.
we programmed it all in for angle
Yeah.
mode. Okay.
We can put more steps if you like to see it. Like we can put more.
Okay. So there we go. So Y1 and 2 are the up and down on the RAM.
Yep. Mine is 123.
Can you move any of them? Can you move the back cage manually at all for me, just so I can
Yeah.
see which ones move around? All right, that'd be great.
C1 and C2. You want to move it apart?
Yeah.
Apart? We can put it 10 inches.
Okay.
Boom. 10 inches to start.
Okay. They move together.
Go closer. You want to go back? Where we
Yeah. Let's go back out.
back. All right. So this the X1 is the dimension back. So we're 5 inches.
Okay. Wait. Okay. All right. So X1, X2, that goes back, forth. Okay. And then R1, R2.
R1 and R2 is the height of the.
Okay. Let's see that.
You know, 0.1 inch.
Okay. Hold on. Okay, go. Okay, and then so those went up.
Yep.
All right, let's put all three in different ones.
Yep.
And then
Put 20.
okay.
Minus 1, 2.
Okay.
65.
Right. Hold on. All right. Perfect. That's great. Thank you.
You also wherever you want to.
Okay. So that's those ones I'll move there, and then the Y is the ramp.
The program will go here in,
Okay.
and we got here everything.
Okay.
Update, all function, general information, multi-program. Two parameters right here. Those are the parameters.
These are all the parameters?
Yeah.
Okay.
We got a picture of that, so
Yeah.
that way we know
Yep.
the original settings for that.
Okay. Yeah, that's good to record there.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's the original parameters.
Yeah, the original
Okay.
parameters. Everything is there.
It's just time date. There was a little hours meter on the back of the control.
Oh yeah, it's the back, yeah.
Yeah. What's another functions?
Multi-program. In that one you can run 2 or 3 programs at the same time.
Okay. Okay. And then what do you have in the other functions?
Other functions here.
Oh.
That's the program memory, save parameters, restore parameters, local file, change language,
Okay.
floppy disk,
Okay.
import, export.
Okay. Then the graphics one, that was kind of where the punches and dies were, right?
Right here.
Visualization.
Visualization, you can see
Okay.
programs, fonts, dies, die holders, and spacers.
Okay, let's take a look at that. Then you hit over?
Yeah.
Okay.
With the arrows.
Sure, let's say that.
This is the down. This is the program.
Yeah. Okay.
Arrow down. Is the one we got here.
Okay.
I can send some more if you want. I can send some more from the other computer.
I gotta check out for an appointment, so you can probably.
On the computer,
Okay.
the storage or whatever. All the way right here, back, punch it. Boom.
Okay, there's the graphic. Shows it. Yep.
We got 2 pages.
2 pages of that. Okay.
You can put more, but we got only 2.
All right.
Back.
And then you have your dies, your die holders,
Die.
and spacers.
That's
in
the
there. Okay.
library for dice.
Okay.
That one we got 2 pages too.
Yep.
We got a die holder. Die holder.
Okay.
We got like 7. Yeah. And spacers.
Yeah.
Only
Okay.
1.
All right. Sounds good. And then we've got these cabinets. Is it this cabinet?
This one.
Okay.
Big one, that one.
see, the foot pad, there's the thing there. Do you know where this comes around and plugs in? Looks like it comes in down there.